Here's the Origami 8-pointed transforming ninja star. You can make the ninja star of origami or printer paper or even post-it notes. This is an extremely easy model to make. To make the transforming ninja star, you will need 8 sheets of square paper. Start with the paper color side down. Take this point and fold it here. Unfold. Then take this point and fold it to this point. Unfold. Fold in half. Unfold. Now take this corner and fold it to the middle. It should meet this crease. Repeat on the other side. Then fold along the middle crease. Now take this corner and push it inwards, and fold on this diagonal. Pinch on the diagonal. Pinch on this diagonal as well. Now press the paper together. Flatten the paper well. Here's the finished piece. Make 7 more copies of it. Once you've made all 8 pieces, we can now start connecting. Take the closed side of the first piece. Place it in between the flaps of the second piece like this. Then slightly open the flaps of the first piece. Fold the flaps of the second piece into the first piece like this. Then close the model. Take the closed end of the next piece and place it in between the flaps of the purple piece like how we did in the previous step. Slightly open the yellow piece. Fold the flaps of the purple piece into the yellow piece like this. Then close the model. Repeat these steps of the remaining pieces. Now take the final piece and place it in between the flaps of the yellow piece. Then gently take the other yellow piece and place it in between the flaps of the purple piece. Fold the remaining flaps inwards. Fold this flap down in between the middle purple divider piece and the side of the yellow piece like this. Flip the paper over. Repeat with the remaining flaps on this side. Before trying to transform the ninja star, flatten the entire ninja star, especially along the edges. Flip the paper over and repeat. The first few times you transform it, it may not be that smooth, but the more you transform it, the smoother it'll get.